today, our topic is all about solutions of linear equation in two variables na po tayo. Okay, so our competency is to describe a linear equation in two variables and to express its solution using an ordered pair. So first, let us define the meaning of linear equation in two variables na po, ha? Okay, when we say linear equation in two variables, it's an equation that can be written in the form of, first, we have ax plus by is equal to c. So that is an example of linear equation in two variables. So what are the two variables? We have x and y. So this form is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Okay, and the second form is the general form. So when we say general form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, same pa rin po where a, b, and c are all real numbers. And then ano yung dalawang variables natin? X and y. And then anong letter yung katabi ni x and y? A and b. Kaya dapat anak, si a at b, sila yung dalawa na hindi pwede maging 0. Si letter C pwede maging 0 except kay letter A at kay letter B. Sa linear equation in one variable, ano lang po yung hindi pwede maging 0? A, kasi si A yung katabi ng variable. This time, dalawa na yung variable natin, kaya dapat dalawa na rin po yung numerical coefficient na hindi dapat maging 0. And that is A and B. And another form of linear equation is what we call the slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is also an example of linear equation in two variables. Okay, it can be written in the form of y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, ano naman po yung slope-intercept form? Sa left side, yung y po. And then sa right side, ito na po yung mx plus b. Ano po yung mx? Yung a po dito, anak, sa general form, pinalitan ng letter m. And then dito, sa general form, yung letter c na constant, ginawa po siyang letter b, where m is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. Okay, now, example of linear equation in two variables. Okay, first, we have 2x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. So, this is an example, anak, of linear equation in two variables. In what form? Standard, general, slope-intercept. Very good, general form, where a is equal to 2, b is negative 6, and c is negative 12. And then another one. We have 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So what form is that? Very good, standard. Where a is equal to 2, b is 3, and c is 6. And next, y is equal to 7x plus 2. Okay, very good. Slope-intercept form. What is the value of the slope? 7. And the y-intercept is 2. Another we have x minus y is equal to 4. Or what form is this? Okay, very good. Standard form. Where a is equal to 1, b is negative 1, and c is positive 4. How about this one? Do you think the given is an example of linear equation in two variables? No. So this is not a linear equation in two variables, but this is a linear equation in one variable. Ano po ba yung rule natin, anak, sa linear equation? Kailangan yung exponent ay 1. Kapag yung exponent ay 1, therefore, the given is a linear equation. Depende na lang po yan. Kapag ang given ay isang variable, therefore, one variable siya. Kapag dalawang variable, o dito po yun sa topic natin papasok. So, although ito ay x, yung x is equal to negative 3, ay linear equation, pero hindi po siya pasok sa ating topic. Kasi ano po ba yung topic natin ngayon? Two variables. So, meaning this is not a linear equation in two variables. So, another, y is equal to 5. Pasok po ba siya dito? No. So, one variable pa rin po siya. Do you understand po? And we can say that the graph of a linear equation is always a straight line. So, ibig sabihin, anak, kung i-graph natin yung linear equation in two variables, so automatic gagamit tayo ng Cartesian plane. So, ang mag-form daw natin ay straight line.